What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a updated brow tutorial. So let's get started. So you see, I have this eco styler gel. You're probably wondering what I'm going to do with it. So as you can see, yes, I am putting it on my eyebrows, and then I'm going to simply just brush that product through my brow just to get those eyebrow hairs to stand up perfectly. Alright, now that I'm done doing that, I'm going to take this Colormates black brown pencil, and I'm just going to fill in some of the sparse areas of my eyebrows. Not too much, just a little bit to still make it look very natural. Okay, of course I had to clean up a couple hairs, gotta get her together. Brows gotta be slimy. Alright, so we're gonna go in with our e.l.f. lock-on liner and brow cream in the color Espresso. And yes, I'm just gonna start off with doing my two little lines at the top and bottom of my brow. And I'll do the same thing to the other brow, of course. Can't do one without the other. Voila, there you have it. Alright, just taking that spoolie and just brushing the product evenly through my brows just to get rid of the line at the bottom of it, because sometimes it can stand out very much. So I just want to blend this in with my hairs. Now that we're looking good and the brows is looking nice. Yes. Who's she feeling like with these brows? Okay, going in with my Ruby Kisses Pure Mineral Concealer and my LA Girl Pro Concealer. LA Girl Pro in the color, I think it's Beautiful Bronze, and the Ruby Kisses is Warm Honey. And I just mixed those two together on the back of my hand, and now I am carving out this bomb ass eyebrow that y'all love and I love. Yes. So just simply sliding the product down onto my eye, because I use concealer as my eyeshadow primer. Yes, girl, bend that curve. Get that brow, okay? Okay. Yes. Alright, so now I'm just pretty much smearing out the product and moving on to the next brow. And again, just blending out this product all around my brow. Alright, taking this e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush, and I am going to use that to help me blend out the concealer around my eyebrows. I love this brush because it does an amazing job with blending. My eyebrows are like stunning. Yes, close up. Let me let y'all in. Come see how you get these bomb brows.